Make cleaning a blast. Meet the all-in-one indoor-outdoor air blasting system from Shark. My goodness, is this my favorite tool. I'm obsessed with this new Shark BlastBoss. If you're still using bulky blowers for tiny messes, this is Cordless powerhouse. Hits 190 miles an hour. With this quick start guide, you will be blasting in a few minutes, and it fits in one hand. Snaps together or apart for all different types of cleaning. This new Shark BlastBoss is the all-in-one air blasting system that replaces your broom, your duster, and your bulky blower. Look at all these different little attachments, from crumbs on your counter to leaves on your patio. This compact tool blasts all away with that 190 miles per hour power. It's cordless, it's rechargeable, it comes with indoor-outdoor settings. Now watch how it works on these leaves. Just so much fun. I'm obsessed with cleaning my patio and my porch now. The extension wand and the BlastBroom is total control, indoors and outdoors. If you want faster cleanups with zero hassle, keep watching. Watch till the end for a fantastic infographic with all the benefits and why you need this amazing tool. With or without the broom, it is a power blaster. Look how it just gets all those hard to reach places and prepares them for power washing, or just gets the leaves out of all the extension cords and all these things underneath sofas outside that impossible to move. Watch it clean up your patio furniture. No need to wipe and scrub. Use your Boss Blast instead. Look how easy and perfectly clean. It works way better than hair scrubbing because it has 190 miles per hour power behind grit scrub. Right out of the box, you'll get the sleek handheld power. This is a bold strawberry color. It's lightweight and powerful. It comes in different colors. It is a scrubber power blaster. The blasting attachment is great for wider cleaning. The precision nozzle that it comes with works on tight spaces, and of course it's cordless and rechargeable. Feel like it's about to replace all of my cleaning tools. Let me show you why this is a game changer. It isn't just a mini blower, it's a multi-surface cleaner. Look how it cleans off all those little lightweight seeds and debris that get on your outdoor sofas, from crumbs to debris in just seconds. And you can imagine what it does to a high chair after a child is eating. Look where animals have made a nest on my porch, and this outdoor patio mud that accumulates on my rug. It looks great on car interiors and tight corners of every home. Kitchen counters, garage floors. Look at the air conditioning clean that's so hard to do. Without taking apart the cleaner, you can blow things out. High shelves, under furniture, gutters, tricky spots. No cords, no gas, no hassle. The perfect, if you want it fast, efficient cleaning. Look how it works with this precision nozzle on your computer and electronics. You simply switch to the indoor mode and use this nozzle, and underneath those cabinets, that is such a hard area, and outside it is the wonder tool. It is your best friend for porch sweeping, rug sweeping, blowing debris and leaves off of your patio and walkways. It is a perfect cleaning tool. Once you try this, you won't want to go back to your other tools. Now watch how great it works on the porch. It works great on car seats and strollers. In your car, all those cracks and crevices, in addition to cleaning off your porch every day. I'm obsessed. I want to do it all the time because it's so much fun and deeply satisfying to see your high traffic areas get cleaned easily. I think one of my favorite places might be these exterior glass places, and especially spider webs. Getting all of that going, and especially the high areas that I can't reach with normal tools, this extension wand just does it all for me. I love it. And don't forget the crevices and the caulking that's very hard to reach, and especially when you go inside the transom windows in your home or those high corners where there's spider webs. This just gets rid of all of that, and it's way better than any just broom because it completely blows it out. And the lanterns and special spots that are delicate, grab, blast, done.